today we got a nice special video. We are going to do a unboxing, okay, on the Prisma brand. Shout out to Diego for putting me on. He told me to go check out this brand, so that's what we're here to do. Alrighty, y'all. What's up, Fragrance Familia? Hopefully you guys are having a beautiful day. Appreciate you guys for popping in. Definitely leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this type of videos, you know. But today we got a nice special video, live unboxing, okay, on the Prisma brand, and let's get into it. So I heard, again, like I said, the perfumer behind the whole City Rhythm house is behind this Prisma brand as well, and I've looked at some of the notes for some of the fragrances, and I'm not gonna lie, they look very juicy. So let's get into it. We'll start off with this first one, and this one is called Topaz. Dang, this might even be like one. Look at that, hella small. Alright, so this is what we got right here on the hand, guys. Prisma Parfums. Topaz. We got sweet, citrus, tobacco, coconut. Okay, that's what I do get a little coconut off the tip here. Pause. Warm, spicy, vanilla, wood, rum, amber, metallic. Okay then. We got lime, coconut, saffron, sugarcane, ylang-ylang, jasmine, osmanthus, rum, tobacco, ambergris, and tonka bean with some cedar. Yo, see? Tell me you're not looking at these notes and you're not curious. You're like, bruh, lime, coconut, sugarcane, some florals, rum. Bro, that's giving me summer. I kind of want to spray this on skin, so I'm going to be a little skimpy with the sprays. Two. Like I missed one. Dumb. Yeah, I feel that was like, So off the rip, it's like not completely my speed, but it's building up to it. But I feel like you do get the rum. That tobacco is coming in kind of strong now. I did get that coconut. I feel like I had a whiff of the sugarcane too. But nice quality. I feel like you can almost like smell the notes for real, rather than like just sweetness or whatnot. Ooh, almost got like an ambery caramelness, like similar to something that I like and I smelled. That might be the vanilla here. Is there any vanilla? Just the tonka. The ylang-ylang is what's throwing me off. And see, I'm not a huge fan of ylang-ylang, but that's not too bad. I'm not gonna lie. That's definitely like a 6.87. The next one we gonna run up is gonna be this, oh yeah, Citron. And here we get powderiness, vanilla, citrus, marine, summer, woody, aromatic, fresh, spicy, violet, salty, and amber. Interesting. High ratings as well. Isaac Hilton, are you a demon? Look at these top notes. Blood orange, which I am not a big fan of. Heliotrope, doesn't that bring some almond? Juniper berries I fuck with. Sea salt, lavender, jasmine, violet, nutmeg, iris, coriander, almond, like all that. Vanilla, driftwood, ambergris, and sea notes. Interesting. See? That's what I like and I'm excited about this brand. They are bringing some crazy notes in the mix. And what is going on? Dude, can we even smell any of this? Told you, bro, scampy. Need that. Oh man, it's not like wow, but it's like now we talking. Now we talking business. Not really. Not this is not giving business, but let me not count the blood. The blood orange is, at least off the paper, is not as off-putting as I thought. Usually, blood orange for me, like I said, can be very off-putting. I think the almonds here, which I am kind of an almond fan, is bringing in some nice, almost adding a little bit of sophistication, but you're definitely getting, you know, it seems like these are more like unisex, but the Topaz got that tobacco in there making it masculine. But I'm liking the Citron more. Interesting, because I don't know why it's called Citron. I feel like it doesn't have any citron per se, but this is definitely a nice fresh, you get like this creamy, nutty, which would probably be the almond type of energy. I could do get that citrus, probably that blood orange, but it's crazy. It's like not orangey, but I could see the red, like the red citrus. I could see it or smell it. Yeah, powderiness. I could see that vanilla. You know, just creamy. The aquatic nature, I guess I could kind of see it a little bit in the background for sure, but just nice. Maybe a tinge of florals, aromatic for sure. Different. I mean, if you want something different, these fragrances are definitely seeming to be different. But I'm liking that. That one's more of a 7.8. But yeah, let's do this next one over here. Zircon. Okay, this seems a little bit more mass appealing, I would say. Citrus, woody, white floral, fresh, spicy, sweet, marine, aromatic, vanilla, amber, and salty. I'm gonna play a game with myself and I'm not even gonna look at the notes. I'm gonna just try to guess any if I can. But we got, you know, this seems more Mass appealing, not no crazy mix of notes, I would say. Maybe especially like the first one. Okay. So these, I think this is why the City Rhythm line is popular. Because it's definitely niche. It's like it specific. That's just what I can say. It's like specific. But I feel like I get some similarities. I feel like I get a similar vanilla as the last one. Kind of like that creamy nature. So I'd say there's vanilla in here. Citruses. I want to say like a little green herbal. Oh, dude. Little amber. But what type? Could be like benzoin, given the vanilla. And the citrus here. It's like citrusy, but I can't get my nose on what it could be. It's like not bergamot. Is it like the lime and coconut, like the first one again? Oh man, we gotta see. We gotta see. But this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. The white floral gotta be like jasmine. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, we got lime. We got that coconut. Okay, I did get some similarities. Bro, what? That's crazy. Blood orange, juniper berry, sea salt, and heliotrope. You got the sugarcane, nutmeg, almond, osmanthus, driftwood. Okay, what we're literally smelling, Zircon, is literally, which I was thinking that too. That's crazy, but I didn't know if I was tripping. This tobacco one is definitely like pretty prominent. The smell off the strip. This one, the Citron seems definitely lighter, more of a quicker skin set. But long story short, the Zircon is pretty much the first two that we talked about, Topaz and Citron mixed together. Which, in my opinion, I would go with the Citron versus the Zircon, or versus the Topaz. But this third one, the Zircon, I'm liking this one. This is definitely more of like a 7.85, 7.9. I like it a little bit more than the Citron. Definitely brings like the best of both worlds out of the first two and brings it into one. A little cheesy, but I would say definitely try this one. If you like this one, then I'm pretty sure you'll like the Citron more. But if you like a big tobacco head, well then if you like to smoke on your summer vacations or you're smoking cigarettes all the time, any of that, bro, Topaz is your shindig. That's gonna be like smelling like cigarettes and tobacco, but in a good way and bringing in that tropical vibe. And next, we'll go with this Emerald. This Prisma brand seems to be pretty good. I don't know if you guys have peeped or heard of them, but yeah, they seem to be good. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, Prisma brand is definitely turning out to be a sleeper. Nothing too crazy, but definitely different. We're in the terms and talking about summer vacation and all that good stuff, and this brand definitely seems to be bringing that type of energy. As you see, the coconut, lime, citruses, rum, all that type of vibe. That's what we're getting. In Emerald here, we got warm spiciness, fresh spicy wood, tobacco, amber, fresh, sweet, cinnamon, vanilla, and powdery. Seems like it might be more for the fall, but let's see. I want to say cinnamon. Cinnamon, maybe nutmeg, like a little sweet spiciness. Sweet spiciness. What is this? Not candle, but I'm thinking like a red candy almost. Cinnamon, like the cinnamon red candy. Powdery. These are unisex for sure. Not bad. Let's see what we got here. Cinnamon, violet, bergamot, pimento. Okay, that's what I was smelling, that chili pepper. Pepper, tea, labdanum, myrrh, frankincense, cedarwood, tobacco, vanilla, vetiver. This one's a little bit unique, but for these crazy notes, I am not a big pimento fan, but this is not bad. This is blended very well. This is a 6 in my opinion, and my personal like wearing, like I probably wouldn't reach so much for this one, but I could see this fitting a specific person, maybe an older person. But yeah, I could kind of see that green vibe because I was getting like almost green herbs. Maybe that's the tea, but man, yeah, just like earthy and that spiciness from the pimento, cinnamon, like I said, for sure. And yeah, probably as it dries down, some woods and tobacco here, but a little vanilla is not overpowering. It's just like a little bit in the background. But all right, if you like tea fragrances and you like some spicy tea, some cinnamon in your tea, you know, I would say that this is a fragrance more for you, for sure. If you like spicy cinnamon tea, Emerald by Prisma might be for you. And this next one, oh yeah, we got Aqua, baby. This one's gotta be aquatic. This one's gotta be pretty good. Let's see, Aqua. Oh man, they don't even have it here. They only got the sapphire. I don't even think that might be a different one. Maybe it's not, but screw it. Let's go ahead and smell this. And yeah, let's get it. Oh no, not too much sprays now. Oh yeah, blue aquatic fresh, soapy, a little floral, easy to wear. Out of all these, this is definitely like the more mass appealing one. Just fresh, easy, Nothing too crazy, but I could smell like a little similarity, but also a little difference. Just like a nice like shampoo-y body gel type of smell. I would say not as nice as Sedley, but if you don't like Sedley, then this is maybe one that you would like. Aqua, definitely not bad. I would definitely give this one a 7.5. Definitely one of the nicer ones that I've smelled so far. Out of the 5, let's see. Topaz, it's alright, it's getting more coconutty. The vanilla powdery almondy one is alright, but very light. The one that's a mix of the two is kind of light, but it's kind of there, the rum. This emerald one definitely giving me them green vibes, definitely more unique. Probably the least out of all of them. Tied with the topaz, but I think I might like the topaz more because of that coconut. And the aqua one's just the better smelling one. Type of like imagination, sadly, soapy type of energy, but just a different version of that. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys like this type of content. Oh, Jade, you're floral. Y'all know a Jade out here? I don't know a Jade out here, but y'all let me know if y'all know a Jade out here. Let's see. Okay. And for Jay, we got some floral action, some fresh spiciness, the yellow floral. No, the Yang is coming back. Powdery, vanilla, fresh, almond, sweet, green, and warm spice. Interesting bouquet of notes. Let's see. Jade, I think, will be more for the women. Might have to give this one to my girl. But let's see. It says it's unisex, so let's see what's up. Oh, okay. I'm getting like a like a pink floral. That's what I'm thinking. Might be placebo because I'm looking at the notes, right? But not for real, like a pink floral. I want to say rose, but I could be wrong. This actually smells pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. Out of everything that I've smelled so far, this is topping like top 4 or something. Top 5. Really nice fragrance for women out there. For the ladies. Mother's Day just came up, but for my ladies, this is a nice floral scent that I could see being worn really across any ages, probably 18 plus. That type of energy, maybe even better. I think my girl's really gonna like it. Dang, I would rate this for a girl like an 8. Yeah. Like, I would definitely gift this Jade to a girl. I like that. I do like that. I don't know the fresh spiciness. I guess you could say that, but I'm getting like maybe rose. It says fresh. It doesn't say aquatic-y, but I guess maybe not aquatic-y, but I was thinking like rose water. It says Yang, but the Yang here is balanced very well because I'm not a big fan. I'm trying to figure out what's green. Is it like mint? But it doesn't smell too strong. Like, the notes here are well balanced. Like pepper, bergamot, lemon, Yang, heliotropium, which brings in like that almond nutty, which I love and I like. Skinacorn, benzoin. Did I say amber benzoin? Isoe super and ambroxan. Oh man, dude, just nice. I'm liking that. I can't get my nose off of that. That's nice. I could definitely see myself wearing it. But hold on now, I think I'm getting it. It's like almost like lotion, like a type of lotion, almond lotion. Yeah, that's why I like it. Kind of like sunscreen type of vibe. I would only wear that when I'm out on the beach and I'm wearing some sunscreen on or something like that, and I don't want to smell like that synthetic chemically smell. I want to smell something good, I would probably put that over it. But yes, we're going to keep it pushing. We're going to talk about Amethyst. Okay, we got woody, sweet, aromatic, fruity, amber, powdery, vanilla, musky, and fresh spiciness. Okay, this one sounds like it'll smell pretty good. Ooh, that's how you know I only have to do one spray. Hold up, that was smelling pretty good. Almost like strawberry. Yeah, I almost get like a red fruit, like a strawberry or watermelon type of almost sweet candied. Where the wood's at. Is it Palo Santo or something like that that brings in a little citrus? Maybe sandalwood? Get a little creamy action going on. Maybe it's that vanilla again. Some aromatics. I get the musky. Maybe ambroxan. Okay, it does have some incense. Interesting. Okay, the pine nectar. Strawberry, that's crazy. Dang, I'm actually getting kind of good at this. Yo, so the top notes: strawberry, lavender, pear, bergamot, sugar, lametta, pine, cedar, pepper, incense, tonka, jasmine, magnolia, rose, sandalwood, vanilla, ambroxan, vetiver, musk, oak moss, amber. Y'all, yeah, I don't see a lot of strawberries notes. This one's definitely a little bit more unisexy, but man, because of that ambroxan, musk, and whatnot, the piney and woods on skin, this could be more masculine for sure. But I'm digging that. The pininess definitely gives in like a green herbal spiciness, right? Might be a little too much if you spray it too much. I could see that, but I did get a little smokiness vibe. I just didn't want to trip. That's why I thought Palo Santo. But okay then. Yo, I like that. This is like pushing to an 8 as well. Maybe even 8 category. Like, this is good. That strawberry feels like that strawberry candy. That's what I was thinking about. That strawberry candy with the red and green wrap. Bro, That's the strawberry that I was getting. Cool scent though. No coconut here, but that sugar. But next up, we got diamond. Let's see, for diamond, we got woody, floral, white floral, fresh, powdery, warm, spicy, and amber. Let's see what we're working with. I am missing one more tab. Boom, boom. You got two up in there. Woody, floral, white floral, fresh, powdery, warm, spicy, and amber. Smells really light, but it smells really good. Interesting. Maybe it's better on skin. Here, speaking of which, I actually do kind of like this one, so let's see. Oh, man. Pretty glistening spray. Let's go ahead and air that a little bit. But pretty nice. Like floral, yeah, but not super heavy. Is it the woods? A clean light wood? I feel like I'm getting like that almondy vibe again. So maybe they threw in some of that heliotrope or something to bring in florals and powderiness. But from what I could smell, which is almost close to nothing, at least when I sprayed it on paper, that's why I had to spray it on skin. Smells good. Really fresh. I like it more than the Aqua. Got like a little coconutiness, I feel like, or I don't even know, but I get like a better sunscreen vibe energy. Oof, on skin, yeah, it smells different. I'm gonna have to do a test on skin for all these. Jasmine for sure. I want to say that heliotrope again, but let's see. This one has like one of the lowest ratings so far. Jasmine, sandalwood, okay, cedarwood. Definitely some synthetics up in here. Hedione, not heliotrope, but hedione, you still get that almondy nature. But we cooking. But yeah, the jasmine for me, I'm not a big jasmine forward. I'm more of an orange blossom sort of dude. It's a little heavy on my skin, but it's all right. You know, musky for sure. Skin very light, close to the skin. Definitely probably more of like a small little aura than anything. Probably more feminine in my opinion, at least off of skin. But yeah, I would give that one like a 6 for men, you know. Yeah, it's just unless you're a jasmine fan, like that's not my speed. I wouldn't really push that. But hold on, it's like as it's drying down that jasmine. Ah, man, fuck. Why is perfumery so good? Last but not least, y'all, but we got Kiss the Moon. Hopefully we'll finish off with a banger here. I'm getting powderiness, the almond nature again, even like a little bit of that coconut creamy sunscreen type of vibe. Smells not that bad though. I do kind of like it, man. And they don't have this one either. What is this? Are these new? Kiss the Moon. This one's interesting as well. I feel like I get a little bit of that pink floral action again. So maybe, what was it? The heliotrope, some of that almond, florally, musky, creamy, sunscreeny. That's what I'm getting. I want to say maybe there's a little bit of coconut here, almond for sure, creamy almond. Maybe there's that sandalwood again with that creamy vanilla or something like that. Really nice, man. Definitely nice brand. These scream, in my opinion, summer vacation all day. Sunscreen, coconutty, limey, musky. You got driftwood, aquatic notes. I mean, shit, you pick your poison. They got everything for everybody. Some rum action, tobacco, all that, man. Absolutely beautiful line. That's pretty much going to be it for me, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys like this type of content. I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Peace.
Like and subscribe.